Today's episode, we're exploring through the lens of Warren Buffett, a legendary titan in the investment world, particularly focusing on how real estate and business investments can work hand in hand. Buffett, known for his wisdom, sharp investment strategies, and profound understanding of the market, has often highlighted the synergy between these two realms. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a real estate enthusiast, or somewhere in between, this video is designed to enlighten you with actionable advice and current data on how combining these assets can maximize your portfolio's potential. So, let's unlock the secrets of synergy in investments and take your portfolio to new heights. If you value the insights shared in our videos, please show your support by hitting the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Now, let's get into today's topic. The core of Warren Buffett's investment philosophy. Buffett, known for his value investing approach, emphasizes long-term growth over short-term gains. This principle is crucial in both business and real estate investing. In real estate, this translates to investing in properties with potential for appreciation and stable rental income. Similarly, in business investments, Buffett advocates for investing in companies with strong fundamentals and enduring value. Understanding this philosophy is key to recognizing why Buffett sees synergy in these investment types. Both demand patience, research, and a focus on intrinsic value rather than market speculation. This foundation sets the stage for understanding how real estate and business investments can complement each other in your portfolio. The importance of market cycles in shaping investment strategies. Buffett has always been keenly aware of market cycles, understanding that both real estate and business sectors have their ups and downs. He advises investors to be cautious of market euphoria and to invest when others are fearful. In real estate, this might mean buying properties during a market downturn when prices are lower. In business investments, it could involve investing in undervalued companies poised for a rebound. By aligning your investment strategy with these cycles, you can make more informed decisions, buying low and selling high. This approach requires patience and a contrarian mindset, often leading to more significant gains in the long run. Diversification in real estate and business investments. The concept of diversification, a cornerstone in Buffett's investment strategy. Diversification is about spreading your investments to reduce risk. Buffett's approach to diversification isn't just about mixing different types of stocks. It's also about integrating different investment classes, like real estate and businesses. In real estate, this could mean investing in various types of properties, residential, commercial, industrial, across different geographical locations. In business, it involves selecting companies from diverse sectors with varying market capitalizations. This blended approach can safeguard your portfolio against market volatility, as different assets often react differently to economic changes. By diversifying your investments, you're not just building wealth, but also creating a safety net for your portfolio. Let's examine how economic trends impact investments, a key area where Buffett's insights are invaluable. Economic trends such as interest rate changes, inflation, and GDP growth significantly influence both real estate and business sectors. For instance, low interest rates can make borrowing more affordable, boosting real estate purchases and business expansions. Conversely, high inflation can erode investment returns if they don't keep pace. Buffett advises investors to stay informed about these trends and adapt their strategies accordingly. In real estate, this might mean adjusting rental rates or choosing markets less sensitive to economic swings. In business investments, it could involve focusing on companies with strong pricing power or recession-resistant models. Understanding and anticipating these economic trends can empower you to make smarter investment decisions, aligning with Buffett's strategic thinking. Compound interest magnifies returns over time, a concept Buffett champions as a key to wealth accumulation. Compound interest works its magic not just through the initial investment, but more significantly through the reinvestment of earnings. In real estate, this might mean using the profits from one property to invest in another, gradually building a robust portfolio. The key here is time. The longer you reinvest your earnings, the greater the potential for exponential growth. In the realm of business investments, consider a stock portfolio. Reinvesting dividends rather than cashing them out allows you to purchase more shares, which in turn may generate more dividends. This cycle, over many years, can turn a seemingly modest investment into a significant sum. This principle demonstrates why Buffett advocates for a long-term investment horizon, emphasizing patience and discipline as essential elements for leveraging the full power of compound interest. Risk management, a critical aspect of Buffett's investment strategy. Managing risk effectively is essential in both real estate and business investments. Buffett advises against putting all your eggs in one basket, but also cautions against over-diversification. In real estate, this means not just owning multiple properties, but also understanding each property's unique risks, like location-specific economic factors or tenant demographics. Similarly, in business investments, it's about choosing companies with strong fundamentals, but also being aware of industry-specific risks and market volatilities. Effective risk management involves continuous learning and adapting your strategy as market conditions change. Buffett's approach to risk is not about avoiding it entirely, but understanding and managing it intelligently to maximize returns while safeguarding your investment portfolio. Enhancing portfolio stability and growth. The synergy between real estate and stock market investments enhances both stability and growth in a portfolio, echoing Buffett's strategic approach. Real estate investments typically provide a stable cash flow through rental income and tend to appreciate over time, offering a cushion during economic downturns. In real estate, this can involve taking out mortgages to purchase properties, allowing you to control a larger asset with a relatively small initial investment. They're also less correlated to the stock market, meaning they can retain value even when stocks decline. On the flip side, stock market investments bring the advantage of higher liquidity and the potential for rapid growth, particularly in bull markets. They offer easier entry and exit points, allowing investors to capitalize on market trends more swiftly than real estate. However, Buffett warns against over-leveraging. He advises that debt should be used conservatively and wisely, ensuring that the investment can generate enough returns to cover the borrowed amount and more. This approach requires a careful analysis of risk versus reward and an understanding of market conditions. Used correctly, debt can be a powerful tool in growing your investment portfolio. The importance of location in real estate investments, a principle Buffett has always emphasized. Location is arguably the most critical factor in real estate. It affects property values, rental income potential, and long-term appreciation. Buffett advises investors to choose locations with strong economic growth, good infrastructure, and potential for future development. This could mean investing in up-and-coming neighborhoods or regions with stable job markets and population growth. Location also plays a role in risk management. Properties in desirable locations are more likely to maintain their value and attract quality tenants. This principle extends beyond residential real estate to commercial and industrial properties. Understanding the dynamics of location can help investors make more informed decisions, ensuring their real estate investments are not just profitable, but also sustainable in the long term. As we explore Buffett's approach to timing and investment decisions, Buffett famously said, "The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient." This philosophy applies equally to real estate. It's not about timing the market perfectly, but about the time spent in the market. Buffett advocates for a long-term perspective, focusing on the quality and potential of the investment rather than short-term market fluctuations. In real estate, this might mean holding onto properties through market cycles to realize their full appreciation potential. Similarly, in stocks, it involves investing in companies with solid long-term prospects and holding onto them through market ups and downs. Buffett's strategy is about recognizing that true investment value often reveals itself over time. This approach requires discipline and patience, but can lead to more substantial and consistent returns, avoiding the pitfalls of market speculation and short-term thinking. Thank you for joining us on Property Profit Investing. Today, we've journeyed through Warren Buffett's insightful strategies, uncovering the synergy between real estate and business investments. From understanding market cycles to the power of compound interest, we've explored how these concepts can elevate your investment portfolio. Remember, investing is not just about the numbers. It's about strategy, patience, and continuous learning. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more real estate investment wisdom. Until next time, keep learning, keep investing, and keep growing. See you in the next video.